the journey of sustainable protein begins in the controlled climate of the brood chamber. Precision starts with the selection of the healthiest breeding stock. The nymphs are moved to specialized rearing bins to ensure rapid, healthy growth. A strictly controlled organic diet is essential for high-quality insect protein. Hydration is managed through ultrasonic misting to maintain peak metabolic rates. Every cycle is monitored to ensure the biomass meets strict international food standards. At peak maturity, the harvest begins, moving the insects into the processing stream. Automated sieves ensure only the insects proceed, removing all traces of rearing materials. A rapid temperature drop induces a natural state of hibernation before the final processing. The flash chilling process ensures the harvest remains pristine during internal transport. Each batch is sealed and digitally logged for full farm-to-table traceability. Automated systems move the raw material through the facility, minimizing human contact. Every zone transition is protected by high-pressure air curtains to maintain sterile conditions. Stringent hygiene protocols are the backbone of modern insect protein production. Gravity-fed processing starts from the top floor to maximize efficiency. Precise weight measurements ensure the correct ratios for the upcoming dehydration phase. Manual oversight remains critical during the transition to heavy processing machinery. The raw harvest is now ready to enter the core processing line. Manual oversight remains critical during the transition to heavy processing machinery. Intelligent navigation systems manage the flow of materials without the need for human drivers. AI-driven vision systems inspect every individual piece at a rate of 10,000 units per minute. High-speed robotics handle the heavy lifting, ensuring perfect consistency in the storage sequence. A digital twin of the entire facility allows for real-time optimization of energy and output. Automated bagging systems maintain a modified atmosphere inside the pack to preserve freshness. Advanced analysis verifies that the nutritional density meets the strict label claims. A final sifting ensures the powder maintains a velvet-smooth consistency for mixing into shakes. Precision moisture sensors ensure every batch is roasted to the exact scientific standard. Dehydration is the critical step in ensuring shelf stability and a concentrated nutrient density. Flash pasteurization eliminates any remaining microbial load in seconds. The insects now enter the core transformation phase, where temperature and pressure change everything. Ultrasonic waves ensure every crevice of the exoskeleton is surgically clean. Advanced optical sorting identifies and removes any insect that doesn't meet color or size specs. Ozonated water provides a chemical-free, high-level disinfection of the outer shells. Initial dedusting uses high-velocity air to remove any remaining microimpurities. We are now at the heart of the operation, where the harvest meets the machine. The facility is designed for a linear flow, moving from raw harvest to refined product. Centralized monitoring tracks every temperature shift and humidity spike in real time. Intake hopper phase 2 active. The final layers of protection ensure a completely closed-loop environment. High-velocity air showers strip away microparticulates before entry into the processing core. Standardized PPE is mandatory to prevent cross-contamination within the rearing halls. Standardized PPE is mandatory to prevent cross-contamination within the rearing halls. For the staff, the workday begins with a multi-stage transition into the sterile zone. Strict security and biosecurity protocols begin at the very edge of the perimeter. This state-of-the-art facility represents the future of sustainable, high-density nutrition. Final validation takes place in a controlled laboratory environment to ensure total consumer safety. Dynamic scales verify the weight of every pack in milliseconds, ensuring consumer transparency. Secondary packaging bundles the units for efficient bulk distribution. Precision labeling machines apply branding with sub-millimeter accuracy. Induction sealing provides a hermetic, tamper-evident barrier for premium retail packaging. Permanent laser coating provides indelible batch tracking for every individual unit. The product is now fully protected and ready for the final stages of quality verification. For textured snacks, the powder is reconstituted into a high-pressure protein dough. Final seasoning ensures the product meets the taste profiles of global markets. Nitrogen flushing displaces oxygen, extending the shelf life of the insect protein for up to 2 years. Vacuum expansion creates a light, crunchy texture without the need for deep frying. The transformation is complete. The harvest is now a versatile, high-protein flour. Pneumatic transport prevents atmospheric contamination during the transition to milling. Rapid cooling stabilizes the proteins before they move to the transformation stage. Precision blending incorporates essential nutrients, standardizing the protein's nutritional profile. Natural enzymes are used to neutralize flavor, making the protein indistinguishable in final products. Automated die cutting creates the base shape for the final consumer-ready protein bits. Extracting the natural oils creates a high-protein cake that is easier to mill into fine powder. Micronization reduces the particles to a uniform size, ensuring a smooth texture for food applications. The extracted oils are repurposed, ensuring a zero-waste manufacturing cycle. High-pressure air knives ensure the insects are surface dry before optical inspection. The cleaned biomass is held briefly to ensure a steady flow into the roasting ovens. Human oversight remains the final fail-safe in the cleaning and sorting sequence. Rapid mechanical dewatering prepares the batch for the precision sorting phase. Controlled convection roasting develops the savory, nutty profile required for food-grade protein. X-ray inspection ensures that no foreign physical contaminants have entered the production stream. Multi-head weighers provide sub-gram accuracy, eliminating product giveaway and waste. Collaborative robots assist workers in delicate tasks, blending human intuition with machine stamina. Automated maintenance systems ensure the factory never stops, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Rigorous microbial testing confirms the effectiveness of the earlier pasteurization stages. Inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometry ensures the product is free from environmental contaminants. Detailed chemical mapping confirms the presence of healthy omega fatty acids. Human sensory panels ensure the product maintains its neutral and versatile flavor profile. Accelerated aging tests prove the packaging's ability to protect the product in any climate. With every safety and quality metric met, secure sealed ensures the nutrients pure and shelf-stable. Every batch is digitally logged, providing full traceability from harvest to consumer. Sustainable packaging reflects the eco-friendly nature of insect-based nutrition. Efficiency at this scale allows for global distribution of affordable protein. Inventory management ensures a constant supply for the growing international demand. Quality is locked in, ready for the global market. And this is how modern factories produce insect protein from start to finish. Leading the way in food engineering for a sustainable future.